Hey, welcome to Web Design Wednesday. Today I'm going to be talking about the funnels and websites that we're going to be building and the technology that we're going to use it. So High Level is one of the popular platforms right now, and we're going to be using different platforms in the future. But first I wanted to introduce you to this because of all the features that they have baked into one package, which makes it really convenient. And you're going to be watching me build a site step by step with this tool, and you'll be able to follow along. They offer the 14-day trial. I'm going to give you a link in the description for a 30-day trial, so that you'll have time to follow along everything. Because it's going to take a couple weeks as we build this out. But let's begin. We're going to start by logging in. All right, now that we're logged in, you see this cool dashboard. It's going to show you how much money you're generating from your funnels. You're going to see your monthly recurring revenue, customers in Stripe, new customers. So what's really cool about High Level is that it integrates in Stripe as a payment method, and it also allows you to configure an email autoresponder system, a system for messaging. It even has a members area for hosting videos. If you've created a training course that you're looking to offer. And in my case, my first funnel is going to be a solution to a problem that I've solved for people. And so you're going to watch me building out that landing page probably over the next several days to next week as we work through the process and working on the strategy and how all that comes together. But one of the other cool things, depending if you already have an existing business up and running, there's a service called Yext that's needed for local generating local search results. And if you want to show up in that local Google 3-pack, Yext is a great service, and it costs a fortune if you're buying it on its own. But usually I think it's like $1,000 a year for that service, maybe even a little bit more. And you get it for a fraction of that price if it's bundled in with High Level. And so this is just a really great opportunity. And the other thing that I like about High Level is the template library. So depending on what kind of industry you're in or businesses that you're serving, you could be getting a jump start on this. So we could type in something like hair salon, and it's got automatic templates here. And you can click the button, and it's going to roll out an entire template for the business, including the autoresponders, which is the email messages. How are you going to respond to text messages? And it's just a fantastic tool. This takes away a lot of the hard work when you're just trying to get something going. And we're going to dive into this as we build out the landing pages next week. But I wanted to give you a heads up. And tomorrow we're actually going to create the sub account for the site and get the domain connected before we can actually start building the pages. To get your own account set up, I recommend you use the 30-day trial link in the description down below. And don't forget to check back tomorrow on Tech Thursday, where I'm going to be setting up a sub account with the domain that I'm planning on using as we build this out. Thanks a lot. I'll see you tomorrow.